Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to disable all effects and color grades in your DaVinci Resolve timeline. This is incredibly useful when you want to preview your raw footage without any adjustments, or when you need to troubleshoot performance issues by temporarily turning off resource-heavy effects. Let's start by opening your DaVinci Resolve application. Once it launches, you'll be greeted with your project manager or your current project workspace. Make sure you have a project open that contains a timeline with effects and color grades already applied, as this is what we'll be working with today. Now, at the bottom of your screen, you'll see several workspace tabs. These tabs represent different pages within DaVinci Resolve, such as Media, Cut, Edit, Fusion, Color, Fairlight, and Deliver. Click on Edit to switch to the Edit page. This is where you'll have full access to your timeline and all the tools needed to manage your clips and effects. The Edit page is your main workspace for assembling and refining your project. Here's where the magic happens. Look towards the top right corner of your screen, just above your timeline viewer. You'll notice a circular icon that represents your color grading and effects. This icon is your quick toggle for enabling or disabling all timeline effects and color corrections at once. Click on this circle color icon to disable all effects and color grades. When you do this, you'll immediately see your footage revert to its original, ungraded state. This gives you a clean view of your raw material without any processing applied. This is particularly helpful when you're comparing your graded footage to the original source or when you want to speed up playback by reducing the computational load on your system. Sometimes heavy color grades and effects can slow down your preview, so turning them off temporarily can improve your workflow efficiency. Now, if you want to enable everything again, the process is just as simple. Click the same icon once more, and it will instantly re-enable all your effects and color grades. You'll see your timeline snap back to its fully processed state with all your creative decisions restored. This toggle is completely non-destructive, meaning your work is never actually removed, just temporarily hidden from view. And that's it. You've learned how to quickly toggle effects and color grades on and off in DaVinci Resolve, giving you full control over how you preview your timeline. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.